Good morning, students. Welcome to all in science class. This is chapter 2, component of food, part 3 for class 6th. This is your last video for chapter 2. In this video, I give you some homework and discuss short answer type question. Your first question is, define a balanced diet, but should a balanced diet include? I repeat, define a balanced diet, but should a balanced diet include? Write all these questions in your rough copy. Answer is, the diet that contain all the nutrients required by the body in proper quantity is called balanced diet. I repeat, the diet that contain all the nutrients required by the body in proper quantity is called balanced diet. इसके बाद पूछा था, what should a balanced diet include? A balanced diet should include energy giving food, body building food and protective food in right proportion. Write down. Your second question, what is anemia? How is it caused? Anemia क्या है और ये कैसे कॉज होता है, किसकी डेफिशिएंसी से कॉज होता है? Anemia is defined as a low number of a red blood cell. Anemia क्या है? Defined as a low number of red blood cell. Anemia caused due to the deficiency of iron. Write down. Anemia caused due to the deficiency of iron. Third question, write a short note on obesity. Obesity means being too fat. The excess food is stored under the skin in the form of fat. The excess fat cause heart diseases and high cholesterol. I repeat, obesity means being too fat. The excess food is stored under the skin in the form of fat. The excess fat cause heart diseases and high cholesterol. Your question 4 is, what is malnutrition? What is malnutrition? Malnutrition is the condition that develops when the body does not get the right amount of nutrients in the diet. I repeat, malnutrition is the condition that develops when the body does not get the right amount of nutrients in the diet. Your fifth question, what are the symptoms of marasmus? The symptoms of marasmus are lean and thin body. Second is weak muscles. Third is poor mental growth. I repeat, symptom of marasmus are lean and thin body. Second is weak muscles. Third is poor mental growth. Write and learn all the questions. Write down. Next is I give you some homework. Now time for self evaluation. Do this work in your rough copy. Your first question is matching the two columns. Column A match with column B. First is food, second is sugar, third is milk, fourth is protein, fifth is minerals. And in column B, instant energy. Who give you instant energy? Animal fat. Which one is the animal fat? Inorganic salt. Which one is inorganic salt? A basic need. What is our basic need? Bodybuilding food. Which one is the bodybuilding food? And your second question, answer the following questions. Question 1. Which one provide energy faster, sugar or fat? कौन आपको जल्दी एनर्जी देता है, शुगर और फैट? आई रिपीट, विच वन प्रोवाइड्स एनर्जी फास्टर, शुगर और फैट? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, विच विटामिन्स आर soluble in fat and water? I repeat, which vitamins are soluble in fat and water? Your third question, is it fine to eat candies and chocolate to obtain carbohydrates? Is it fine to eat candy and chocolate to obtain carbohydrates? Your fourth question, water does not provide energy to do our body. But we should drink 6-8 glasses of water every day. Why? I repeat, water does not provide energy to our body, but we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Why? Fifth is, name the diseases caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. Name the diseases caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. Name the diseases caused by the deficiency of iron. Write down. Do this work in your rough copy. Write down. Thank you, students. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.